Today, I flew from Basel to Bilbao in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. We will fly it with an EasyJet A320neo. Our flight time is roughly about an hour and a half. We are already airborne and heading straight south to Spain, but first crossing France. Basel-Mulhouse Airport sits on French soil, but serves both France and Switzerland. You can literally choose a French or Swiss exit and cross the border inside the terminal. Thanks to the Schengen Agreement, there are normally no routine passport checks, so travelers move freely between the two sides. A special customs corridor keeps everything legal and hassle-free for passengers. As always, my YouTube channel features a longer video about this flight. Go check it out to support me. As you can see, we are coming closer to the ground, which means we will land soon. Thanks for watching.